Are you a content creator or want to get started with making tutorial videos for YouTube, work purposes or for educating others? But then the question is how to make a software tutorial video? What tools do we need to create a software tutorial video? Or how to record a software tutorial video on Windows or Mac? Well, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Was a step-by-step tutorial, and by the end of it, you will also be able to know how to create a software tutorial video on PC in minutes. Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to record a software tutorial video in minutes and tips for creating engaging and effective tutorial video. First, creating instrumental video can seem easy, but to make training videos, we should keep our audience in mind and have clear structure of the points that we want to convey. We should not use words which may confuse our audience, and the best thing to do is add captions, as it helps to reach a wider audience without language barrier. Next, we need to talk about the tools that we need to record a software tutorial video, and here we need a screen recorder that can capture our computer screen. First, there are many screen recorders that we can use, but then what is the best screen recording software to capture a screen and make engaging tutorial videos? Here I recommend Wondershare Democrator, as it can not only help us record tutorial videos but can also edit tutorials to stand out among others. First, Wondershare Democrator can record tutorial videos and edit with the AI like a pro. So now let's talk about why should you choose Wondershare Democrator over any other screen recording software for Windows and Mac, as it can not only record screen but can also record gameplay, record with virtual avatar, record video presentation, record camera and record audio. It also has visual assets like annotations, transitions, effects, audio and stickers to make our tutorial video stand out among others. Simply choose recording mode, start recording, edit the recorded video and then export and share. Wow, that seems really easy. So first let's know how to download Wondershare Democrator for free on Windows PC or Mac. And for that, simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Democrator official website. Now click try it for free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Democrator free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click start. Now here we have Wondershare Democrator with all its features and capabilities. From here we can select video recorder to choose different recording modes, and next we have a video editor to edit videos. Here it shows edited projects and recorded files. We can also open a project from here. Now let's get started to know how to use Wondershare Democrator to record your screen on Windows PC to make software tutorial videos. And for that, here we are back on Wondershare Democrator. Now click video recorder. Here we get option to choose what we want to record like screen and camera, audio, game, virtual avatar and video presentation. As we want to record computer screen, select screen and camera. This opens up Wondershare Democrator recording panel. Now from here we can choose what area of screen we want to record, like full screen, or can also select a specific part of the screen with custom selection. We can also record screen for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and a standard resolution. Next we get an option to select a specific window that is currently open on our laptop. Thereafter we get magic tools like smart zoom, cursor highlight. We can also change cursor highlight color from here. We can also enable show hotkeys or use AI voice cleaner that will remove background noise from our microphone voice. These magic tools can be very helpful for making tutorial videos. The next option we get is another cool addition to Wondershare Democrator, and that is teleprompter. We can import a file or can also paste text here, and then we can play it from here. Thereafter we can use it while making screen recording tutorials. This is a great feature to have and can be very helpful while making software tutorial videos. After this we get option to enable webcam. Can also enable mic from here. We can enable or disable this to record system sound. We can also schedule recording from here. Next we can click on this settings icon to change further settings. Like in general, we get option to have single track export or multiple track export. We can select multiple track export to have different tracks for output like webcam, system sound, mic and screen recording, or if we don't want multiple track, then we can select this first option. I will suggest you to not change it, as having multiple tracks can help in editing our tutorial video. Thereafter we get option to hide cursor. We can also disable 3 seconds countdown at the start of every recording, can auto hide controls while recording or enable GPU acceleration. False enabling GPU acceleration for recording will help us improve efficiency and will remove any recording while recording. So you should enable GPU acceleration. Next we get option to remove webcam from a screencast video. Next in file we'll get option to choose where we want to save recordings or screenshots. In video we get option to choose frame rate, which can be up to 120 fps. So if you want to record gameplay in 120 fps, then you should choose 120 fps from frame rate. Choose it as per your requirement. Next we can choose the encoder quality to be high, normal or low, selecting it to be high. Thereafter in webcam we can select a webcam and resolution for the same along with the frame rate. So from here we can choose a webcam if you want to record a tutorial video with facecam. Next we get shortcuts. We can use these shortcuts during recording for different tasks. Like we can press F10 to stop recording or F4 for cursor click effect. We can also restore default settings from here, and once we are done setting up recorder, click save settings. Now after we have set up Wondershare Democreator screen recorder, we are ready to record a tutorial video, and to get started with recording, click rec. It starts recording with a 3 seconds countdown. Now suppose we want to make Windows 10 tutorial on how to change Windows 10 theme, then simply follow the steps and everything will get recorded. So for that, click Windows Start button and then click Settings. After settings opens up, click Personalization. From here we can change background, and to change theme, click Themes. Here we have different themes that we can apply to our Windows 10 computer. Meanwhile, as we are following the steps to make tutorial video, we can use these drawing tools to make our tutorial more interesting. Like we can use this highlight tool to highlight some part of the screen, can use this circle object to show something in circle. Same way we can use this rectangle object, or can also use the spotlight feature to highlight something on the screen. We can undo or redo from here, or can also clear everything by clicking on this. From here we get the option to pause recording, or can also delete and record from here. Once we are done with recording, click this stop button. Now this opens up Wondershare Democreator video editor. So now let's know how to use Wondershare Democreator to edit software tutorial video. And for that, let's simply drag and drop our screen recording to timeline. At first we can change screen recording settings from this right side panel. Here we get cursor highlight option. This enables us to highlight the cursor on the screen while we are making tutorial videos. From here we can scale cursor size to increase or decrease it. We can also change the cursor highlight color, choose any of these. Can also set opacity for the highlight cursor color. Can increase highlight area or decrease it from here. We can access more cursor settings from here in cursor effects like cursor spotlight, cursor magnify, click rings and click sound. We can use any of these, and for that simply drag and drop it to our screen recording. Next in video tab we can scale our screen recording. We also get option to set opacity, or can also change the screen recording speed from here to make it faster or slow down. Thereafter in audio we get option to increase volume levels of screen recording audio, can also set volume balance or add fade in or fade out effect. Next in animation we can select an animation effect for screen recording. Here we get so many animation effects. We can use any of these as we want to. Now what about editing or screen recording, like removing unwanted parts? Well, first for that simply select the screen recording from where we want to split and then click on this. After this select the part we want to remove and then right click to select ripple delete. Ripple delete will automatically move the remaining part of the video to start. Same way we can remove any unwanted part of the screen recording tutorial. Now once we are done with removing unwanted parts, let's further edit it. And the next option is annotations. Here we get text, lines and arrows, shapes and lower thirds that we can add to our software tutorial video. We can use this arrow to highlight some part of the screen. Simply download and drag and drop it to timeline. We can resize and place it wherever we want it on our screen. Like I want this arrow to point on this button. See, this looks really cool and further enhances our tutorial video. Same way we can use any of these elements in our video. Next we have pan and zoom. This enables us to add pan and zoom effect to our video. First, this can be very helpful if you want to make tutorial video like this and want to zoom in and out to show a part of screen. Simply drag and drop it to the software tutorial video on the timeline. Now double click on this to change pan and zoom settings. Can select start and then end. After this, click OK. Let's preview it and see how it highlights this part of the screen. Next, let's know how to add transition to our video, and for that click on this. Now from here we can choose any of these transition effects. Simply download and then drag and drop it between clips. Same way we can use as many transition effects in our video. Now once we are done with editing our video, let's export it, and for that click export. This opens up export window. We can give our project a name, like I am renaming it to how to change themes in Windows 10 PC. Next we get option to select the format. Here we get different options like MP4, AVI, WMV, MOV and more. Selected MP4. After this we can select the aspect ratio. Next we can select the location where we want to save exported video. Can also back up to the cloud. Next we get option to select video quality. Selected it to be high. Well, first we can not only save our software tutorial video on Windows PC but can also directly upload it on YouTube, TikTok and Vimeo. For now let's save it to PC, and for that click export. It starts exporting. Once done, here we have confirmation. Let's check it out, and for that click open folder. Now here we have our software tutorial video ready that we have recorded and edited using Wondershare Democrator. Let's play it. So for that click Windows Start button and then click Settings. After Settings opens up, click Personalization. From here we can change background, and to change theme click Themes. Here we have different themes that we can apply to our Windows 10 computer. Wow, that's simply amazing. So for Sets Wisely can also create high quality content that engages and educates your audience. So keep creating content and keep sharing your knowledge with others. Meanwhile, do try out Wondershare Democrator, as this can be your best companion in content creation journey. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.